the BMW Skytop. The Concorso di Eleganza, held annually at the prestigious Villa d'Este on Lake Como, celebrates beauty, innovation, and timeless elegance, showcasing extraordinary automobiles, including the debut of the BMW concept. At the iconic venue, Villa d'Este, the automotive world comes together for timeless beauty competitions, one-of-a-kind presentations, and unforgettable experiences for car enthusiasts. The concept, Skytop, a two-seater convertible, showcases a fusion of classic luxury with cutting-edge technology, representing a perfect harmony of tradition and modernity. Paying homage to BMW's iconic roads, such as the legendary BMW 5. The concept Skytop reimagines timeless design with a modern twist. This unique vehicle captures the essence of luxurious craftsmanship, combining exclusive materials and intricate detailing to create a driving experience that transcends the ordinary. It invites drivers to savor every moment, as if they could take a piece of Villa d'Este with them on every journey. Gliding along the lakeshore in the concept Sky, its athletic and elegant form seems sculpted for the picturesque roads of Lake Como. From its exterior to its interior, the concept Skytop exudes a sophisticated blend of sporty elegance and precision. Its smooth, flowing lines, warm, monochrome colors, and advanced materials create a vehicle that is as beautiful as it is functional. The LED headlights, crafted from milled aluminum, feature cutting-edge technology, while the inspired by intricate clockwork mechanisms, highlight the vehicle's meticulous design. The car's flowing contours, from the arrow-shaped bonnet to the shark nose front and tapered rear, give it a dynamic and powerful presence. The exterior is defined by its sharp edges and muscular shapes, showcasing both elegance and strength. A unique design element is the absence of conventional door handles, replaced by touch-enabled winglets, further emphasizing the car's sleek and seamless design. Inside, the concept Skytop is a masterpiece of luxurious craftsmanship. Hand-stitched leather details, precise perforations and colored crystals adorn the interior, creating an ambience of refined elegance. The rich, reddish-brown color palette flows harmoniously from the roof to the interior, enhancing the vehicle's luxurious feel. The BMW concept Skytop is more than just a car. It's a celebration of the art of automotive design, a modern interpretation of classic elegance. It combines innovative aesthetics with timeless craftsmanship, offering a glimpse into the future of luxury vehicles. At Villa d'Este, the BMW concept Skytop not only showcases the pinnacle of automotive design, but also ignites the imagination of car lovers everywhere. This concept car reminds us that dreams and innovation go hand in hand, and that the future of luxury vehicles may hold even more surprises. So, are you ready to experience the future of driving with the BMW concept Skytop?